Yo, what up, Social Cam? It's Jay Smith. I am on my way trying to see if this dude got that chicken I was looking for the other day. And hope everybody's having a great day. And hope all is well in your world. Just a word of encouragement, no matter what it is that you are dealing with and going through or facing. You have the wherewithal to make your dream come to pass and make it happen. Don't ever give up. The devil cannot defeat or deal with people who give up, because when you don't give up, you can make it manifest. Now, let's see if this chicken is up in here. As soon as I learn how to open the door. Chicken man going out the door. Got them drumsticks right there. I'm getting ready to give you some chicken. All right, Social Cam. See y'all. Y'all be good. Peace. Can I get some drumsticks? Just 2. Yeah, that's cool.